I purchased the Canon SX740 HS camera and was blown away by its features and what it had to offer. When purchasing this camera, I was wanting a professional, high quality image without the big, bulky camera. I wanted something compact and lightweight to make it convenient to take with me anywhere. To get an up close, sharp image, it has a 4 times digital zoom and also a 40 times optical zoom. This camera is very user friendly. The buttons and switches are labeled right there on the camera itself, so you don't have to scroll through the menu to figure out which options and settings that you're looking for. It's right there on the camera. What I love most about this camera is that the 3-inch LCD screen flips upwards. So I can put this camera on timer and get my group picture of me and my family and make sure that everyone's in the frame. This camera has a 20.3 megapixel and a 4K video recording. And when you're ready to share all your pictures and videos with your friends and family, all you have to do is click a button. This camera offers Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, so you can transfer all your images to your phone, laptop, desktop, or even your printer. At the end of this video, I'm going to add some pictures that I've taken with this camera so you can see for yourself the high quality that it captures.